Welcome to the next travel videos. On this channel, we review most interesting and unique attractions that are located in different parts of the world. If you like traveling and exploring new places, you can use this channel not only as a tool that provides useful information for your travel list, but here, you can also find useful tips that can enhance your travel experience and save your money and time. If you haven't seen our previous episodes that cover most popular attractions in Rome, Paris, Pompeii, or other popular destinations around the world, please feel free to use links shown at the right top of this screen. Otherwise, you can also find many interesting videos by visiting our channel homepage, or using comments section down below. The National Gallery of Art, located in Washington, D.C., is a treasure trove of artistic brilliance and cultural significance. National Gallery of Art is among most popular destinations not only in Washington, D.C., or in the country, but also is a popular destination for art lovers in the world. If you are an art lover and will decide to visit National Gallery of Art, we would recommend to plan a couple of days and visit both wings of the gallery, including the East and the West building. Now back to the main topic of this episode, which is to overview some interesting facts about East Building of the National Gallery of Art. In this video, we will review some interesting facts while taking a quick look at famous paintings, decorative art and sculptures located at the East Building of the gallery. Let's start with its history. The East Building was designed by architect I.M. Pei and opened in 1978. Architect I.M. Pei designed the building to complement the older, West Building of the National Gallery of Art. His vision was to create a space that was both innovative and harmonious with its surroundings. The East Building is renowned for its innovative design, featuring geometric shapes, sharp angles, and a modernist aesthetic. Its triangular shape and use of materials like glass and marble make it a standout in the Washington, D.C. skyline. The building primarily consists of pink Tennessee marble, a distinctive choice that adds to its unique appearance. The interior is designed to encourage exploration and engagement with art. Its interconnected triangular galleries and open spaces allow for a fluid viewing experience. One of the most striking features is the central atrium, illuminated by several pyramid-shaped skylights. These provide natural light to the lower levels of the building, creating a dramatic play of light and shadow. The East Building is widely celebrated for its architectural significance and has received numerous awards and accolades for its design and contribution to the world of architecture. The East Building houses a remarkable collection of modern and contemporary art, including works by artists like Mark Rothko, Alexander Calder, Jackson Pollock, and Pablo Picasso, among others. While the entire building have pretty big variety of famous paintings on display, in this short video, we will just mention a few that can appeal intriguing for many visitors. We'll start with mentioning one of the famous painting by Pablo Picasso, Family of Saltimbanques. As a young artist, Picasso searched for recognition and belonging. He captured his sense of unease in this painting of wandering performers, Saltimbanques. Picasso identified with these lonely-looking entertainers and included himself among the group, in the diamond-printed costume. Other famous and interesting paintings located at the East Building include Lavender Mist by Jackson Pollock, Improvisation 31 by Wassily Kandinsky, Classic Landscape by Charles Sheeler, Palm Leaf by Henri Matisse, and many others that you can watch in person during your visit. Note that as purpose of this video is not to reproduce digital image of every painting, we included only a select series of paintings, but if you will be interested to learn more about them or even download digital images, Please check official website of the National Gallery of Art for more information. As you can see in this video, Pei ensured that accessibility was a key aspect of the design. The building incorporates ramps, elevators, and other features to make the art accessible to all visitors. Each element of the East Building, from its architectural design to its collection, contributes to its status as a celebrated landmark in the world of art and architecture. Over the years, the East Building has become an iconic symbol of both the National Gallery of Art and modern architecture, drawing visitors not only for its art collection but also for its architectural grandeur. One of the remarkable aspects of the National Gallery is that general admission to the permanent collection is free, allowing visitors to access world-class art without any charge. The gallery offers various educational programs, lectures, concerts, film screenings, and workshops for visitors of all ages, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of art. In addition to its permanent collection, the National Gallery hosts temporary exhibitions that feature works from other museums and private collections, showcasing specific artists, periods, or themes. The National Gallery of Art stands as a testament to the richness of human creativity and remains a cultural beacon for art enthusiasts worldwide. If you will get a chance to visit the National Gallery of Art, let us know your thoughts and share your experience in the comments below. We would love to see your feedback. We hope that you enjoyed this video and find it useful for planning your trip to National Gallery of Art. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This could help you to find next interesting attraction that you can visit on your next trip. If you liked this video, please give us a like using a button below. Also, if you are planning to go on a trip with your friends or other members of your family, feel free to share this video with them. If you will have any additional questions, feel free to post them in the comments section and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We will continue sharing our experiences from visiting other major attractions around the world, and so please do not forget to subscribe to watch them. Also, please check our channel homepage that have existing collections of many interesting videos that cover most popular places around the world. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned for more.